VLC fam, what's the word? What the God?
What's the deal? Hey, big sixer, you feel me?
But look though, we got the good six. The good six in the back. We ain't gonna show y'all that. Tomorrow might be a day we change this joint up, man.
Go ahead.
It be my way. Let's just hear it right now. Since we right here, let's just do that right now. Sound sliding for light. Bruh, so look. Bruh, I always have the opinion, like, the 5.7 sound better from Instagram Reels, just my 5.7. I don't know, that bitch just always sound better, low-key, but the 6.4, it don't got no rattles, no ticks either, so that's straight exhaust.
Get on it.
No, nothing. What the fuck? Bro, that bitch not even saying flushed in here. Oh, there you go. That bitch. The jeepers. But y'all hear how it sound though. It ain't no nice. That bitch bone stock. 100K baby. 100K. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Cut y'all back on in a couple hours, man. Sheesh.
Yeah. Day 2.
VLC fam, what's the word? With y'all top of the morning. It is 6:30 in the morning, VLC fam. Hey. But yeah, VLC fam. It's 6:30 in the morning. And it looks like we're going to do what we told y'all about. So we're gonna cut y'all back on in a little bit when we get closer. Bro, we done made it to Bubba's. I've been sitting out here for like 2 hours now. But sitting out here got me second in line. Got to get the AC recharged and possibly straight pipe it. So we second in line. They just called us. So hopefully we about to get it all situated and right, done up right, and not being here long. So we do that. Get this situated back on the road and we be straight. Let me give y'all the sound, what it sound like now before they possibly straight pipe this joint. That's how we sounding right now. Not too bad, but it's a big ass box under here we got to get out and then it'll be fully straight pipe. If you haven't yet, tap in with the Instagram, subscribe. We on the road to 1K. The homie told me yesterday, like, it's probably gonna be loud as hell. So, if it's about to be that loud, we gonna see. Hopefully you got AC, cause next week it's supposed to be 90 plus, and I need this bitch blowing out hot air. Need it blowing out cold air. And then we gotta wrap it, and then we'll be back done. Be right back done. So stay tuned. We're gonna cut y'all back on with the next update. Right. So yeah. Pulling that thing in there. It's being a little dirty, but a little dirty, but it's definitely a little dirty. It ain't got the 5.7. We got a busy day, like a real busy day. The homie get married today, so we gotta get this washed up, go get our clothes for that, get a cut, You got the Braves, man.
If they don't get here early enough, they ain't going to make it.
Man, I've been here since 6:45 this morning.
Have dual AC. Does it have it dual in the back or
Yep.
just in the front?
No, just in the front.
Okay, thank
Yep.
you, sir.
Just in the front. Just in the front. Making sure I ain't tripping. Yeah, dope. We all got dual AC. So, yeah. I was here since 6:45 this morning. 6:45. Second person in line, to the grace of God. So, we good on that note. But we got a lot of business to take care of. But today better be a long, productive day.
I mean, the cars even parked across the street over at the Metro.
Damn. Oh yeah, see, Bubba ain't playing. But then I gotta show y'all some heat. They got some heat over here. Cause they got an old school over here I seen a second ago. Like, this sound good. This sound crazy. Like, you hear that? Shit. That sound great. But then look at this though. A good Buick. Old school race wood. With the side exhaust, this fire. With the baby seat, that's nice. This is fire. Good Buicks.
Before we hook it up and charge it, you see there's a push valve here.
Yeah.
There's no Freon in it whatsoever.
Oh, wow.
So just, you know what I mean, giving you a heads up.
For sure.
That it doesn't have any.
So when they probably took that radiator out, it all
Somebody-
just came out.
Somebody probably disconnected the condenser, the AC line or something because the radiator is under here.
Right.
So you got AC lines and everything. So somebody could have easily disconnected.
Okay.
But I just try to show you a heads up. I just want to make sure it didn't have no pressure in it.
Okay. Gotcha. Yeah.
We'll charge it up and then we'll double check it for you.
Okay.
2 inches later.
Y'all can't tell, but we got AC back now, man. We got AC again. So everything going good. Told me 100 for the AC charge. That ain't bad at all. AC charge 100, straight piping it, 250 out the door probably. Ain't bad. Straight piping the AC charge, 250. That ain't bad. That ain't bad, bro. I just thank God that we able and blessed in the opportunity to do this. Like, it's just a blessing to be able to do this. Man, like, we remember we couldn't even afford nothing like this 2 years, 3 years ago. Like, let's just get that understood. Like, you come a long way. Come from a 5.7 to this. Like, I'll be forever grateful for
Help out, okay?
AC
You want
charge.
to do the buffer delete or not today?
Nah, we're gonna do it.
Okay, Vito, put this in line for him. Just put him in the front because he was the first one here. No problem. So put him right beside the old school. We'll get him in. The AC is done. I just gotta let the machine suck the hoses down, so don't unplug it, okay?
Okay. It's gonna sound so crazy. Sheesh. This shit sounds so crazy. So crazy. Gotta get that good content. Good content. Now we about to come in here and get this fucking exhaust done. This about to sound so crazy. Sounds so crazy, bro. Taking this right off. This is gonna be so loud. Very tight. And then that's that, bro. Damn. And that's that. Fuck. This shit's gonna be so crazy. Oh my God. Yeah, it's about to be crazy. What was making it so quiet? Damn. Good school, bruh. Sheesh. Good view. This motherfucker chopping. Bruh, we under here. Let's see. Everything under here cut. Over there making the custom pipes. Over here spitting game with the older homies, bro, cause this bitch is nicer. You said 64? 65 Buick Skylark. Oh yeah, 65 Buick Skylark, bro. This take me back to the original lands, Bay Area timing, bro. Like, you don't be seeing the good, clean old schools, bro. You don't. You really don't. And people gotta keep them garage kept. That's what I really love about it. Like, certain people know how to keep these bitches up to date. Old schools is growing on me way, way more. Leveling this. They leveling the exhaust, trying to get this right. That is crazy. That's the old drink. Look at the mop. Crazy. Damn, that's nice. Alright. Anybody get the weld or not? That bitch finna shit crazy. That bitch sound too crazy.
Okie doke, there you go,
Thank
sir.
you.
You have an awesome day.
You too.
Thanks again.
Yep. Yeah, man. Y'all make sure y'all come tap in the Bubbas. Make sure y'all tap in, man. Tap in. Tap in. Tap in. Let me let y'all hear this real quick. Let me let y'all just hear this. We gotta hear this. Shit. Yeah. Yo. Yeah, that sounds great. That sound how it's supposed to sound. That sound how it's supposed to sound. If you got it this far, like, comment, subscribe. Say that VLC. Just like, comment, subscribe, man. Please. Sheesh. Hey, this joint scream. I need to go to the bank real quick. Bro, you hear this snackling, crackling, popping? Bro, this mug sounds so crazy right now, y'all. Y'all don't understand how crazy this joint sounds. I got some errands to run, so we're gonna have to go run these errands real quick. Oh my God. Bro, what in the fuck did we just do? Bro. Bro. This bitch crazy. You at the crib? Yeah. I'm about to send your low. I'm about to pull up on you. All right. Bruh. God damn! Hey!
Yeah, boy.
VLC fam, stop playing. We done got the Jeep right. Bro, look at what my watch just told me. This from the car, not even my, ain't no radio or nothing on, dude. Shit. VLC victory lap chasers, man. Victory lap chasers. This all I got to say. This all I have to say. Go after whatever it is in life you want. No matter the ifs, the ands, the buts, do that shit, bruh. Do it. $200. $200. Got my AC running. We back cold air. Woo! Summertime vibes, we good. Bruh, this sounds so crazy.
Oh yeah, I hear that fucker. Mama, there go that man.
This bitch barking. How that bitch? It's there. It's there. The mamas. Yeesh. Good 6'4" boys. Good 6'4" boys. Like, press the gas for me one time. Hop in that bit, press it one time for me. I gotta hear that bit. I gotta hear that bit real quick. Yeah. Jesus Christ! I ain't expected to sound that crazy.
That bitch gonna sound good. That bitch, nigga gonna hear you pull it up.
Damn, AC working now. We back in gravy. Gotta get out there, feel that good AC. Good AC. You good? I got memory.
Memory button.
Yeah. Good AC. Go climb. Wait, go climb at. Low.
Oh, that's why. It's gonna blow hard now.
Oh yeah. Good. Ice box. Yes, sir.
No more windows rolled down.
No more windows rolled.
No more windows rolled down. Oh, yeah.
Perfect timing. Oh, bruh.
Got your shit together.
Man, we back for 200. All that for 200.
Oh, you that smooth? I
216.
told you to go there, man. Them niggas be looking.
But I told y'all, man, y'all gotta tap in with the people at Bubba's, bruh. Bubba's gonna get you right. Bubba's gonna get y'all right in the city. If you in the city, go to Bubba's.
What time you get there?
I got there at 6:45.
First person.
Second.
Yeah, I told
Right
you.
behind the
Six,
nigga.
six, somebody.
I'm like, bro, I gotta get up for work, so I'm just gonna go up there. Blah, blah, blah.
Work too?
No, I got up at my work time.
Oh.
So I got up at like 6, 5:40, got up 6 when they did this shit.
How long you were
But yeah, I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute, man. Like, comment, subscribe. That might wrap it up. We might come a whole nother vlog later today. What you gotta say to the VLC fam, man? What you got to say, man?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
You feel me? Immediately, expeditiously. But yeah, man. Zay VLC, new exhaust, SRT fucker. Yeah.